Imagine the weight of 50 fully loaded jumbo jets, stacked directly on top of you. That's less pressure than what some deep-sea creatures endure every single second of their lives, without even flinching. At depths exceeding 11,000 meters in the Mariana Trench, where pressure hits an astonishing 16,000 pounds per square inch, life doesn't just cling on, it thrives in ways we barely comprehend. This isn't just survival, it's a defiant celebration of existence against impossible odds. For us, a mere 300 meters down, the pressure would crush a human chest cavity instantly, collapsing lungs and rupturing internal organs. Steel submarines, designed for extreme depths, require walls several inches thick, yet even they have limits. The legendary bathyscaphe Trieste, the first to reach the Challenger Deep, had a pressure sphere with walls almost 5 inches thick, weighing 13 tons, specifically to withstand these unfathomable forces. This crushing force isn't just a number, it fundamentally alters the physics of life. Proteins, the molecular machinery of every cell, denature and unravel under pressure, losing their function. Cell membranes become rigid and lose fluidity, vital for transporting nutrients and waste. Even water molecules themselves are compressed, changing their behavior. So, how do deep-sea creatures survive? One key is a small organic molecule called trimethylamine N-oxide, or TMAO. This osmolyte acts like a molecular bodyguard, protecting and stabilizing proteins from the destructive effects of high pressure. Creatures from the abyssal plains possess significantly higher concentrations of TMAO, often increasing proportionally with depth, literally holding their bodies together. Beyond proteins, cells need flexible membranes. Deep-sea organisms achieve this by incorporating a high proportion of unsaturated fatty acids into their cell membranes. These kinky fatty acids prevent the membrane from becoming too rigid under extreme compression, ensuring vital cellular processes like nutrient uptake and waste expulsion can continue. This subtle molecular tweak is the difference between life and immediate structural collapse. Many deep-sea animals have radically different body compositions. Forget rigid bones and air-filled swim bladders, these would be detrimental. Instead, creatures like the Mariana Snailfish or various abyssal jellies have incredibly gelatinous, water-filled bodies, often lacking bony skeletons entirely. This soft, squishy structure is largely incompressible, allowing them to effectively ignore the external pressure, becoming one with their environment. Life at 16,000 PSI also means life in slow motion. The immense pressure affects enzyme reaction rates, slowing down metabolic processes significantly. Many deep-sea creatures exhibit remarkably low metabolic rates, growing slowly, living long, and reproducing infrequently. This energy conservation strategy is crucial in an environment with scarce resources and incredibly high energy demands for cellular maintenance. In the perpetual darkness of the deep, sight is often useless. Instead, these creatures have evolved incredible sensory adaptations. Many species are bioluminescent, creating their own light for hunting, mating, or defense, like the gulper eel with its massive, glowing mouth. Others rely on highly sensitive lateral lines to detect minute pressure changes, or chemosensory organs to navigate and find food in absolute blackness. It's a symphony of senses far beyond our own. But here's the truly mind-blowing twist: some of these creatures don't just tolerate the pressure, they require it. The Hadal Snailfish, found at depths up to 8,000 meters, has a unique adaptation. Its proteins are so perfectly tuned to high pressure that if brought to shallower waters, they begin to unravel. For this fish, the intense pressure isn't a challenge, it's an essential part of its very molecular structure, literally holding its body together. This isn't just about evolving to fit an environment, it's about life fundamentally rewriting its own rulebook. The biochemistry operating at 16,000 PSI is, in many ways, alien to anything we understand from surface life. We're discovering entirely new enzymes, unique protein folding mechanisms, and metabolic pathways that challenge our very definitions of biology. It suggests that if life exists elsewhere in the universe, it could be far stranger and more resilient than we ever imagined. The deep ocean remains Earth's last great unexplored frontier, a testament to the incredible tenacity and adaptability of life. Every new submersible dive, every new remotely operated vehicle mission, reveals more of this hidden world, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. These creatures are living proof that even in the most hostile environments imaginable, life finds a way, not just to exist, but to flourish in spectacular, unimaginable forms. From stabilizing proteins with TMAO to building bodies made of jelly, these creatures are a masterclass in biological engineering under extreme stress. They force us to reconsider the true limits of life itself. What other incredible adaptations are still waiting to be discovered in the crushing depths? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you were astonished by the resilience of life under 16,000 PSI, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing science facts.